Hello, my name is Annika Voorhees. Welcome to our second week of Learning Management System evaluations. Uh, this one is going to be on Canvas, and we're going to be looking at the gradebook and how to add categories and items. So in order to do this, we are going to go to Assignments on the left side of the screen. And as you'll see, we have our first assignment that we did last week already in here. So to create groups, we're just going to go to the top and click Add Group. So you can name these according to whatever types of groups you want, whether that's by the weeks, whether it's by modules, or whether you have it according to specific assignments. So I'm going to add our initial reflection, which is our first major group assignment, and click Save. Now you'll see we have two different assignment groups here. We have the default, which is assignments, and then we have the one that we just added. Now let's add a couple more groups. I'm also going to add in informal writing. And now I want to show you how you can move some of the assignments around, and then we'll also add assignments. So say we want to move this introduce yourself to another category. You just need to grab onto it and pull it down to the category you want it in. So say we have this generic assignments category, but we don't want this group anymore. Just go to the right, click on the three dots, and you'll get this drop down and click delete. And then you get a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to delete it, and click OK if you do. And now it's gone, and we have the two groups that we created. Now say we are ready to start filling out the assignments for this group. Within this group category, go to the plus. As you can see, this group has a plus, and so does this. And just add plus, and then we have assignment, and I'm going to name this one initial reflection rough draft. And select a due date. So we'll say in a week it'll be due, and it's worth 50 points. Now, you'll also go in and do more details into this assignment later. You'll also have the option to go in and do it now and put in the instructions and the submission type. You can decide if it's a group assignment. This one isn't. You can require peer reviews, which I do, and we're going to automatically assign those. And we're going to say each person has 3. I'm going to leave this here blank, the date blank, because if you don't put it in, it uses the due date. You can also select to have peer reviews anonymously. And we have our date and time, and we'll click Save. All right, and let's go back to our assignments. And now we see that that is loaded into our group here under Initial Reflection. So just to show you the quicker way to do this, if you're just wanting to build out and not go in and do all of the details for the assignment, you can just go to Assignment, or let's say we want to create a discussion and we're going to do a brainstorming discussion, and we'll have that due before the draft is due, and we'll make this a smaller discussion, and we're just going to click Save. Or you can go ahead and publish this, although we don't have the details in there yet, so I'm just going to click Save for now. Now, as you can see on the right-hand side, these two assignments are not published yet. We did not click Save and Publish, we just clicked Save. So before these go active, you'll need to make sure to publish those. This one, as you can see, is green checked, so it is published. Now, if we go to grades to double check this, we can see that we have the introduce yourself, the initial reflection, and the informal writing are in here, which is great. And then let's go back to our categories. Now there's one more thing you can do. You can assign group weights. So if you want to weight the final grade based on the assignment groups, which we only have 2 in here right now, you can do that, and you can set the percentages as at what you would like for them to be. We're not doing that right now as we don't have everything ready to go. You want to do this at the end once you have all of the modules filled out and all the assignment groups ready to go. Thank you.